here.
Okay, say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Merry Christmas.
It's just internal memory.
Yeah. Yep.
I'm moving, huh?
Yeah.
Doing this.
What do you want to say? Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Do you want to show her what you got?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a Hot Wheel, Grandma.
Pretty cool.
Let me tell Grandma, because I can't hear her.
Oh, this is not a phone, Carter. It's a video camera.
Oh, is it a game like it?
Kind of. Look at Jack. Let's see what Jack got. Hi, Jack.
A vacuum. Jackson has a vacuum.
Who came last night, Carter?
Oh, these cars are going to race like those
Hey, Carter,
cars.
who filled up our stockings?
Santa did.
Yeah.
Oh, Santa. No, Jackson. No, Jackson. You have your toy.